Oh, this food.
This bread is really delicious.
Who made us shrimp?
Well, how long
Is this all for us?
How long has it been here?
Wait.
I
I think there's bugs in this sandwich.
Guys, is that blood?
Hey, I don't like bugs.
Oh, taste it.
Sniff it.
Oh, it's just cocktail sauce.
Thank God.
Come on.
Why did there be blood on a spoon?
You want to know why there's cocktail sauce?
For the shrimp. Oh my God. I don't think we should eat it.
Shrimp and cocktail sauce go really good together.
Really well. Well. Sorry, I had to be grammatically correct. This house
They have like all these special utensils.
So why do you think they
here.
left all this food for us? This is kind of weird.
I got a new set of
I don't think we should eat it.
pajamas.
Oh.
I have an old set of
He's
pajamas.
kind of creepy.
I have pajamas too. Oh, they have Hello Kitty.
Mine say pink from Victoria's Secret.
Really?
I got ones that are flat.
They're really comfortable.
And I wear a t-shirt.
Really? I love my pajamas. They're so
I
pretty.
feel like
I can't believe we're in this house. It says
That's four.
It is kind of
I
crazy.
feel like
This house is
I think I'm
so
gonna
big,
need
guys.
this eventually with this ghost hunting crap.
I think we should really explore.
Let's go and
Yeah, where did Chris go?
I don't know. Chris?
Wait, did he go back here?
where'd you go?
I don't know where he went because I was filming you guys.
You guys go first.
No, he didn't pass me. I was filming you guys. I don't know where he went.
Wait, what if
You
he's
go
back
first,
here?
Alyssa. You've got the crutches. It's your weapon.
Awesome.
No,
She
let's
can't
go-
stand up without
Here, let's
them.
go over. No, let's go over here. Let's
She
check out
got
the
here.
parrot. Hello.
That's not a parrot.
Can you speak? Hello.
Sorry.
Hello.
It's not.
Listen.
What was that?
It was a Christy.
Christy.
Is that a bathroom?
Sorry. It's just a
We need a hide.
Oh my God. Why is it happening?
I don't know.
I don't like this.
I didn't do that.
Here, it's a bigger room.
See, my
I
other
don't
hand is
like
right here.
this room.
I don't know.
No. Hi, Birdie. Chirp, chirp. I can't see either. Wait.
You can sit
Do
down.
you guys, I'm
You
kind of
sit?
creeped out. This
We have a
thunderstorm.
time.
Here, Alyssa, I'm gonna sit with you. How about that?
Okay, I think there's a bunch of remotes.
I'm gonna.
Did we find Chris yet?
Wait, let me see. Does the TV
Oh
work?
God. No, no.
Let me think.
Oh man.
Click. No.
I think I just sat on a pillow.
Oh my God!
Chris, are you okay?
Oh my God! He's okay.
He's fighting.
Chris.
He's just messing.
Chris. No, I don't know.
Creeping me out.
He is.
No, go closer.
Are you okay? Christy, move.
Chris.
Us out.
Are you okay? Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
that's
Whoa.
freaky.
Are you looking
Oh
at
my gosh, I
something?
can't look at him. Are you looking? Are you okay? Chris, are you okay?
Chris, talk.
Chris.
Yeah. I got a new set of pajamas. That's all.
Oh. What?
I got a new set of pajamas.
But
Yeah.
Chris, you just said that. Like,
5
No, I
seconds
just, we
ago.
were just in there.
Look away.
pajamas! And then why are you in here?
Pajamas, pajamas, pajamas.
What were you looking at?
No, I was just checking.
Chris. I think there's something wrong.
No.
No, you're acting strange.
No, your eyes. Does your head feel funny?
Do you know who we are?
Heather, stop.
Alright, we're okay, we're
I
good.
love you.
Alright, can we
guys.
check out
Are your
the
pupils dilated?
Yeah.
Hey,
Go get a flashlight.
guys, how about we check this light out? Because this light doesn't work in here, so we.
Okay, yeah.
I feel like
Chris can fix
there's
it
like
for us. And
there's
Miranda.
there's like a sense of power or something in here. It's a
Yeah, I
presence.
feel that
A
too.
Another presence.
Thank you.
Another
That's I meant presence, not power. Jess, how you doing?
I don't have any ghosts, so Christy's creeping me out a little bit right now. You need to stay in your own space.
Oh, it's Christy's hair. It was a shadow.
Maybe we should check out the upstairs. I'm kinda
Upstairs?
scared, though.
Ooh, that was a
I
really
didn't know
creepy
how
shot.
we got
I'm staying
upstairs.
down here. I'll keep an eye out here.
Okay, well.